friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making fried Oreos in the air fryer. For this easy dessert, we just need 2 ingredients, Oreos and crescent rolls. So I'm just going to wrap the Oreos and crescent rolls and bake them in the air fryer. So let's take out Oreos. So there's 8 crescent rolls and we're going to need 8 Oreos. And now I'm going to open crescent rolls. So I'm going to take a piece for 1 crescent roll and put an Oreo in it and just wrap the dough around the Oreo the best you can. And put it in the air fryer basket. And I'm going to repeat it with the rest of the crescent rolls and the Oreos. So now I've assembled the Oreos wrapped in crescent rolls. So let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 330 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these fried Oreos. They look amazing. So big and puffy and golden brown with an Oreo inside. This looks so good. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Looks delicious. And now, optional step, you can sprinkle them with powdered sugar if you like. So here's some powdered sugar. Perfect. Now let me just cut one so you can see the Oreo inside. Look how soft. And the Oreo also gets really soft. When I was cutting it, it was very easy. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. This is so delicious. You're going to love these fried Oreos. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!